My dear friend, today we will discuss about the some Islamic goons which were born in Jammu and Kashmir and are the responsible of the rapes with the Kashmiri Hindu women, especially the Kashmiri Brahmins. So some of the Islamic goon is as I am describing you in my book, that is the Lost Paradise Kashmir in Indian subcontinent. The first Islamic Gunda of the Kashmiris, Maulvi Iftikhar Hussain Ansari. He was born on 26 April 1942 and went hell, death 13 September 214. He was a Shia cleric, a politician and brainless, एक प्रदूषण था. He had great quality except good thinking for Hindus and the Kafirs, and was great Asur or the Rakshas, and led many procession. This was a procession commemorating the death of Hussein ibn Ali in the Battle of the Karbala. He has succeeded his father Javed Ansari as president of all Jammu and Kashmir in 1962. Although he was allied of Muslim against Hindus but was assassinated on 13 September 2014 after a prolonged illness, he was very big Asur or Rakshas or the devil or the Gunda or the goon against the Hindus. Second, Muhammad Safi Qureshi, born 24th September 1928, death 28 August 216. He was the founder of the Congress Party in Jammu Kashmir. He was a Pakistani origin born in Abbottabad in PKP. Means PKP का मतलब है, अरे क्या नाम है, खैबर पख्तूनवा ऐसा कुछ है. Province of Pakistan, the den of infamous big terrorist Osama bin Laden. He was the main allies of the Islamization of the Kashmir with Jammu also. Gul Muhammad Shah, the third Gunda of the Kashmir. It is very natural Congress has patronized the anti-Hindu sentiments always in 1986, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir G.M. Shah decided to construct a mosque along with Hindu temple inside the new civil secretariat area in Jammu city, winter season capital people. But the people of Jammu oppose this because being a secular country, how can we construct a mosque with the fund of the government Jammu and Kashmir? The protest against mosques leads to clash between Hindus and the Muslim class, and in February 1986, this pro-Muslim Chief Minister G.M. Shah on return to Kashmir Valley provoked Muslim by saying Islam khatre mein hai, means Islam is in danger. Islam always will be in danger now, because Islam is the group of the goons or the gundas or the such type of the people. This pro-Muslim Chief Minister G.M. Shah on return to Kashmir Valley provoked Muslim by saying Islam khatre mein hai, means Islam is in danger. Though her did not know any cult will be in danger due to the doctrine, as many Muslims are ex-Muslims. Now for what cause, you can ask to them directly. Islam khatre mein hai is the synonymous of the peace in the world, as this ex-Muslim think. Many incidents took place in Kashmir Valley and the Hindus were targeted by the arrogant jihadist Muslims. Many Kashmiri Hindus were killed and their properties were looted and the temples were destroyed due to the Islamic doctrine against the Kafirs. Worst situation was in Sopore, Vanpoha, Anantnag and the Salar and the Fatehpur in 1986. Many Hindus were fled away from Anantnag and their properties were looted. He was the chief minister, the killer or the butcher of the Hindus on public. Shah called the army to curb this violence and his government was dismissed on 20th March 1986. By then the governor Jagmohan dismissed his government by central government and Jagmohan was posted as governor. The Islamist has against formed a group as a Muslim United Forum, which was the unity of the fanatics, and contest an election in 1987. They lost again this election. Kashmiri Islamic terrorists killed everyone who openly expressed pro-India policies. Hindus were targeted especially then they were seen as journal as the representative of India because Kashmiri Muslim thinks that Delhi government is a Hindu government. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front JKLF launched an operation to kill Hindus and impose the Nizam-e-Mustafa administration basis of the Sharia, which is totally Gunism against the civil society. They wanted to merger of the Kashmir with Pakistan for a mischievous caliphate kingdom, where there is no scope for Kafirs or the non-Muslims. In July 1988, the JKLF became separatist insurgency for the independence of the Kashmir from India. This group targeted a Kashmiri Hindu for the first time on date 14 September 1989. After 1986, first incident of the killing took place on 14 September 1986 when the Islamic radical terrorists or the goons or the gundas killed gundas Pandit Tika Lal Taplu, an advocate and prominent leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party in J&K in front of the several eyewitnesses. This was the cause of fear in Hindus because killers of the Tika Lal Tapluji never caught, which also emboldened terrorists. Hindu felt they are not safe in Valley and could be targeted anytime. At that time, Farooq Abdullah was the chief minister of the Jammu and Kashmir. Killing of the Kashmiri Hindu was continued from that date after killing the Pandit Tika Lal Taplu. At that time, Home Minister of Affairs Mr. Mufti Muhammad Saeed convinced Prime Minister Vishwanath Pratap Singh Ji to appoint Jagmohan as Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, a state now Union Territory, as you know. Due to his working against terrorism, Abdullah was opposed this appointment. Due to this appointment, his vested interest, but ultimately Jagmohan Ji was appointed the governor of the Jammu and Kashmir. On 19 January 1909, Farooq Abdullah resigned the same day and provoked the Kashmiri Muslims for violence, as his brother-in-law GM Shah was did. In 1986, most of the Kashmiri Hindus fled from Kashmir Valley to Jammu or other safer place of India. Many refugee camps were established in the Jammu region and Delhi soon after killing in brutal manner of Tika Lal Taplu. Advocate Nilkant Ganju, a judge of the Srinagar High Court who sentenced the Makbul Bhatt to death, was shot down on 4 September 1989. Near the Srinagar High Court, these killings done by the Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front of the Yasin Malik, used now 9 February 200 till date in the Tihar jail in Delhi and is being treated in well-behaved manner as deemed fit. In December 1989, Dr. Rubia Saeed, daughter of the Home Minister of the India, Mr. Mufti Muhammad Saeed, terrorists demanded the release of the 5 terrorists, which was huge quantity fulfilled. It was the conspiracy in between Muslim Home Minister of the India. Now has been proven that his daughter Mufti Mahbooba is doing the same thing to favoring the terrorists in India. In this case, that Mufti Muhammad Saeed and the leader of JKL, Mr. Yasin Malik, were realized for conspiracy of release of the 5 terrorists. This was certainly an interrelationship of Vishwanath Pratap Singh government and the terrorists for only appeasement of Muslim votes. On the cost of majority Hindu vote on 4 January 1990, Srinagar-based Urdu newspaper Aftab in Hindi means Surya or the sun, a message released in the black and white in written threatening all Hindus to leave the valley of the Kashmir. By Hizbul Mujahideen on 14th April 1990, another newspaper Al Safa republished the same warning. The newspaper did not claim ownership and issued a classification in this contest on the wall of the Kashmir House and other places, or even Hindu properties posted. The posters and pamphlets were distributed to bring the Nizam-e-Mustafa dress code as a Islamic rule or the Gunism or the Gundagardi of the Islam. As usual, Islam is the Gundagardi. prohibition of the alcohol, cinemas and video parlors, strict restriction on Kashmiri women. Kashmir radicalized Muslim always abuse the Hindu woman and daughter in the slang language. Masked men with Kalashnikov used to kill only kafirs and those who were supporting Hindus in Kashmir Valley. And the Sikh were killed in brutal manner, as both Hindu Sikh are the branches of the Vedic culture. On 13 July 1931, thousands of the Kashmiri flocks of the central jail in Srinagar to see the trial of Abdul Qadir. The 15 March 9 February 1950 born. He was died. Was a newspaper and a magazine editor and a community leader in British India. He was famous. Led the Muslim organization Anjuman Himayat-e-Islam and used his position as the leader of his organization. The Dogra governor Raizada Tartirlok Chand ordered his soldiers to open fire on them. Total Kashmiri died in firing. This was done 13th July 1931 when Muslim wanted to kill many Hindus after his judgment that khutbah was not the part of namaz. So I applaud to the Gorkha and all those peoples of the world which are the non-Muslims and are killing the Muslims which are the true Muslim or the terrorists. They are my brethren who are killing those Muslims who are the true Muslim, means they are certified terrorists. I applaud such type of people and I am always with them who are killing the Islamic terrorist, as the Islam is a certified ideology of the terrorism. Muslim tried to kill the king Hari Singh and many Hindus. According to public meeting at 1 lakh Muslim had gathered to hear the speech of Khanka-e-Molla or Mullah of Srinagar on 21st June and 7 men were deputed to meet Maharaja Hari Singh. These members were including Sauddin Sawal, Mirwais Maulvi, Yusuf Shah, Mirwais Ahmadullah Hamedani, Aga Sayyid Hassan Jalali, Khwaja Ghulam Ahmad Asai, Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah, Munshi Sahibuddin Chaudhry, Ghulam Abbas and other leaders from the Jammu. The people carried the dead throughout the street of the Srinagar, chanting slogans opposing Dogra brutality. Traffic between Srinagar, Rawalpindi and Jammu was stopped on 30th July to 60th July in 1931. The rioters were shouting with stupidity anti-Hindu slogans and abusing them as per their doctrine. Hindu-Muslim riot began, leading the death of 3 Hindus, the wounding many more, and the looting of Hindus' own shop, as the robbery is permissible by the time of Hazrat Salahuddin Allahi wa Salam Prophet. कौन हजरत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah Sahib as Malik Ganimat. According to the Islam, the Hindus retaliate, leading the more skirmish between the two groups. Then British government sent 500 soldiers to assist Maharaja Hari Singh Ji and restore the law and order. This incident led to Sheikh Abdullah as a young Muslim leader of Kashmir, and rivalry with Hari Singh continued until 5th August 1947. Meeting with Maharaja, all above cited person went to meet Maharaja Hari Singh Ji. After addressing the meeting of 15th August 1931, they made a number of allegations against Hindus and in journal against General Administration of Jammu and Kashmir and said that the inquiry committee had given a false and fabricated report in favor of Hindus. Muslims wanted to dismiss the Prime Minister, but Maharaja Ji refused bluntly and rejected the Muslim leaders' allegation, as allegation was not correct. The station was subdued to allow the 2 leaders of Ahrar-e-Islam, Mazali Azhar and 2 companions to visit Kashmir. 14th August was observed Kashmir Day and many meetings and processions held for Kashmiri Muslims by fanatic leaders of the Kashmir or the Islamic Ghouns. Gawa Kadal massacre of 1947 has already been described in this book. Now, Gawa Kadal massacre was named after the Gawa Kadal bridge in Srinagar, where 21st January in 19 CRP opened fire on Kashmiri protester or the Kashmiri goons, gundas. Every Muslim is gunda if he follow the Islam and the Quran. In what has been described by same author as the unavoidable due to the violence of the Muslims. The office buildings, shops, and the establishment were colored with as an Islamic rule. Shop, factory, gardens, agriculture, and any establishment of Hindus were looted in the brutal manner, along with killing to earliest Islamic rule in Jammu and Kashmir. And Hindus were threatened to leave the Kashmir immediately. And many vulture or the vulgar activities slogans were raised in the valley against Kafir Hindus. During the night of 18th to 9th January, a blackout took place in Kashmir Valley. And it was amazing that all Muslim employees of the electricity board were engaged in this blackout with top official of the electricity board is they were Muslims and where the electricity was cut except mosque as per Islamic doctrine against Hindu kafir. After Goa Qatal incident, this may not be treated as massacre because it was the only safety measure to avoid any panic situation in Jammu and Kashmir. So this is my video. In the next video, I will tell how though Islam is a gundagardi. Thank you very much.